What's cooking? This is Gifty cooking with me here today. Alfredo and shrimp pasta is on the menu. Picture of what we have here is olive oil, pasta, shrimp, veggies, salt, and onion. First, you oil the frying pan with a little bit of oil. Add the shrimp. Now, the shrimp I sprinkle just a little bit of salt for flavoring. No pepper in this recipe, so if you're somebody who don't like spice, this is a perfect recipe for you to try for yourself. This is BB for my kids. I stir up the shrimps for a bit, add in the onion, stir it in, and I have just one little secret in here, which is rosemary. And of course, that will give it as a beautiful final touch of flavor. Steam your pasta, cook it whichever way you prefer. Any pasta is good. In this, I'm using penne. After I wash the pasta, put it in another frying pan, bring in the shrimp that was just sauteed, and stir it all out together to get both the shrimp, the onion, the rosemary, and the pasta together. Sprinkle just a hint of salt for good flavor as well. That's optional if you want. And in this recipe, I'm using the classical Alfredo sauce. I love that flavor. I'm not being sponsored by them, but it was on sale at No Frills, so I decided to go ahead with it. Give it a good stir after you put in the sauce. And you got to keep stirring just so that it doesn't get sticky. I don't want to add any more oil to it because it's enough. And the flavor itself will seep into each other to give it a really good smell and a good taste for yourself and the kids. Now the veggies, it gets steamed for about 2 minutes or so, and when it's done, you pour everything onto your plate. I added a garlic bread as a good flavor to add with it to help them. And in here you have your shrimp, you have your pasta, there's a little bit of onion, there's a little bit of rosemary, the garlic bread, and the steamed veggies, and you have a beautiful dinner. Who can go wrong with that? Remember, nothing is impastable. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, or share.